Andrea, you're going to make me a special pizza using your gluten-free bases.
Yes, we're gonna make a special pizza with the prosciutto and figs today.
Oh, I love that combination.
Let's start it, and if you can carry me a little bit of mozzarella.
Sure can.
Fresh fior di latte.
Oh, what a treat.
Beautiful.
Oh,
look
look at
this
that.
cheese.
Straight onto the base.
Straight on the base.
So Andrea, tell me about these gluten-free bases. I mean, they taste so similar to the wheaten flour bases.
It's because the way that we make this base is natural fermented. Each base is hand stretched and stone baked. So we leave it to ferment for at least 24 to 48 hours before we cook the pizza.
That's your secret. I love that.
And while we cook our pizza for 4-5 minutes at 200 degrees in the oven, I want you really to try our gluten-free and vegan garlic bread.
Garlic bread and pizza, I'm happy about that.
Beautiful match.
Andrea, it smells so good.
Justine, let's put some rocket on top.
Okay, fresh rocket. Straight onto the hot pizza.
Yes, a little bit everywhere. Looks beautiful, yeah. Just a little bit of extra virgin oil.
Okay. Drizzle.
Yes.
Just to season.
Oh,
Like that?
yes.
Okay, good.
Some figs.
Okay. These figs are just
Oh, they look so beautiful. Some prosciutto.
Even better.
This is going to look and taste absolutely amazing. Some shredded Parmesan cheese.
Yep.
Oh. And some glace.
Oh, very nice. It's that classic flavour that never gets old, does it?
Yes. I really want now you to try.
I'd love
Let's
to.
get it.
Absolutely. Oh, the crunch.
Yes.
Sounds good.
Let's grab a slice.
Ah, Andrea, you gave me the biggest piece.
Yes.
I'm happy with that.
What do you think?
It's really, really good.
Molto buono.